Related terms of layout and maps. Today we are going to study about related terms of layouts and maps. Look at the screen. In this map, we use a scale. A scale is a comparison of the distances between 2 points on a map to the actual distance between the 2 places on the earth that the points represent. The scale is usually mentioned at the bottom of the map. It helps to calculate the distance between any 2 places given on the map. Now look at the symbols on the map. In order to explain different features of a certain area, different symbols are used. For example, to show buildings, parks, water bodies, and so on, different symbols in varying sizes are used. A key given just below the scale gives the meaning of the various symbols used in the map.